Okay, so this is where you have to give them, but it has to match. And then it goes to the next one. So it's categorizing them. A sandwich goes in a lunchbox. But again, lots of language comes from that. And it's go-togethers, I think. Go-togethers. Different roads to learning go-togethers.
And that's the name? Different roads to learning is the name?
I think so, because this is another one. Different Roads to Learning is like the company that's making these, and that one was go-togethers, and this is cleanup, and it's where did these things go? So it's either going to be a food item, a toy item, or a clothing item, where you put the food in the shopping cart. But this also helps with that dexterity. Can they pull it to where it needs to go?
You do a lot of both now.
Yeah. Okay, and if it's wrong, I really like how positive they are on this app. Try something else instead of, no.
That's what you say.
Oh, yeah, most of the time. Yeah. Play Sounds is also from that company, and these must have been free if I have this many of them. Okay. So they hear the sound and which one makes that sound. It's just different auditory processing and auditory learning then. That's fun.